Economic zoology. Lecture number 1. Economic zoology deals with the animal world that is associated with the economy, health, welfare of humans. Introduction to aquaculture. The art of cultivating the natural produce of water. Farming implies some form of intervention in the rearing process to enhance production, such as regular stocking, feeding, protection from predators, etc. Aquaculture, therefore, is farming of aquatic organisms in natural, controlled marine or freshwater environments, both under controlled or semi-controlled conditions. Mariculture, old name marine or brackish water. Aquaculture encompass farming of aquatic organisms including fish, mollusks, crustaceans and aquatic plants. Types of aquaculture: extensive aquaculture, minimal control, lower density. For example, ponds prevalent in third world countries. Intensive aquaculture, highly controlled, high density RAS, raceways confined, for example, industrialized. Lecture number 2. History of aquaculture. Egyptian tombs have bas relief sculpture of fish tilapia being removed from ponds. 2500 BC. Carp were farmed in China as early as 2500 BC. When Fang, founder of the Zhou dynasty, is called the first fish farmer. During exile, he kept records of fish growth and behavior. Fan Li wrote first book on for fish farming 475 BC. Li family were the first to polyculture carp during the Tang Tang dynasty 600 to 900 AD. England for 1500 AD carp culture was introduced. US first fish hatchery was in Oregon 1877. World aquaculture and species selection. Producers expertise, water supply and climate, species biology, marketability, production methods, production economics. Lecture number 3. Commonly cultured fish species. Food fish. Many species: catfish, tilapia, rainbow trout, Atlantic salmon, shrimp, shellfish, striped bass. Others: bait fish, minnows, shiners, goldfish, carp. Ornamental fish, aquaria, backyard ponds. Natural stock enhancement: salmon, trout, black sea bass, red drum, many others. Commonly cultured crustaceans: marine pinnate shrimp, freshwater shrimp, prawns, crabs, crayfish, lobsters, brine shrimp. Commonly cultured mollusks: clams, oysters, mussels, abalone urchins. Additional cultured organisms: seaweed, food for abalone, extraction of nutrients for vitamins, corals or sponges or sea fans, extraction of medicines, aquarium trade, live rock inhabiting macro and micro life aquarium trade.